welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a daily cleaning routine video. I'm going to walk you through all of the things that I do on a daily basis to keep my house functional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything that I do to keep my house in order, and I hope that you can maybe get some tips from this or add something to your routine or maybe change something up. And if you have any questions, let me know and I'd be happy to answer anything. And let's get started.
This time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to...
All right, so the first thing I like to do is put away all of the clean dishes. I always run my dishwasher at night, so I wake up to nice, clean dishes waiting for me in the morning.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
Next, I will hand wash any pots or pans from breakfast or that were left soaking the night before.
When you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over?
I always like to dry and put away any hand washed dishes just so everything is neatly put away and to help minimize any clutter on my kitchen counters.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Something I love to do is wash my sink. It is seriously so satisfying, you guys. There are so many gross germs and bacteria hanging out in the kitchen sink. I really love to clean and disinfect it as much as I can.
You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
There is something so soothing about cleaning the kitchen sink. It just speaks to my soul, you guys. Make sure to dry the sink too. It really makes it sparkle and shine.
Leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Next, I like to gather all of the trash out of the bathrooms and kitchen and take it out. This is really something so simple to make sure that your house and kitchen smell fresh and clean.
Something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
The last thing I do in the kitchen is wipe down all the surfaces. I have 3 kids and a husband, y'all. There are fingerprints everywhere. Right now I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray in peppermint. This is a seasonal scent for the holidays, but it smells so good and so fresh that I'm still using it. No shame, y'all. Plus, it's pink and kind of matches my spring decor, so there, I justified it.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And And if anybody watching this would like to be my friend and follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Seana Nicole. I would love it so much if you would leave a comment to let me know you've watched my video and give me any feedback or tips you might have. I'd love to get to know you. Let's be friends.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
Finally, moving on from the kitchen, the next thing I do is clean my bathroom sinks and mirrors. This is my kids' bathroom, and I don't know what they've been doing in there, but the mirror was so dirty. I had to take everything off the counter and make sure I got everything clean and wiped down. I also do this in my master bathroom, but today I didn't get a chance to film it because I had to get my daughter Lila dressed and ready to meet my husband Troy for lunch. I promise you though, it did get clean.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
Ta-da! Clean bathrooms are amazing. The next thing I will do is make the beds. We're in the process of teaching our boys to make their own beds in the morning. It doesn't always get done, but they're trying, and it helps me out a lot. I actually watched a YouTube video a while ago where a retired Army general was giving a speech, and he said, if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. It was a really motivating speech. You should Google it. Maybe I should make my boys watch it. They need some motivation. Don't we all, though?
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
The last thing I try to do every day is one load of laundry. Try is the key word here. There are definitely days where it piles up, but the goal is one load a day.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile.
You guys, if you haven't tried these scent boosters in your washing machine, you are really missing out. They make your clothes smell amazing. I didn't believe it until I tried myself, y'all, and I am so glad I did. Alright, so that's it. We're all done. There is just one more thing that I like to do to keep my house in order, so let me show you what that is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I could spark some motivation or keep you company today. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you'd like to see more. My plan is to post videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so be looking for the next video on Monday. I can't wait to meet you.